Welcome to Vskills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the top interview questions for underwriting. So, let's get started. Question number 1. What is underwriting? The answer is: underwriting is the process through which an individual or institution takes on financial risk for a fee. Underwriting services are provided by some large financial institutions, such as banks, insurance companies and investment houses. Question number 2. What are the different types of underwriters? The answer is: the different types of underwriters are mortgage underwriters, loan underwriters, insurance underwriters, debt security underwriters, securities or equities underwriters. Question number 3. What do you understand by mortgage underwriters and insurance underwriters? The answer is: mortgage underwriters. They need to ensure that the applicant for the mortgage loan meets the standards and need to analyze the property under consideration to ensure the purchase price. Insurance underwriters. They determine how risky the party seeking the insurance is. There are specialized underwriters for each type of insurance, such as auto insurance, life insurance, health insurance and more. Question number 4. What do you understand by loan underwriters and debt security underwriters? The answer is: loan underwriters. These are the underwriters for other types of loans such as auto loans, student loans and many more. Their services are used by banks. Debt security underwriters. These are the underwriters who buy debt securities, including municipal bonds, government bonds, corporate bonds, preference shares from the issuer. They then sell those debt securities to make a profit. Question number 5. What are securities or equities underwriters? The answer is: these underwriters usually involved with the IPO, initial public offerings, process of a company. Their services are primarily used by investment banks. Question number 6. What are the types of business? The answer is: the different types of businesses are sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, corporation, C Corp, S Corp, B Corp, and non-profit corporation. Question number 7. What is life underwriting? The answer is: underwriting is used to describe the consideration given to a life insurance application, to determine whether a policy applied should be issued or there are changes to be made depending on the person's risk profile. Question number 8. What are perils in insurance and what are the 3 categories of it? The answer is: a peril is an event, like a fire or break-in, that may damage your home or belongings. The perils covered by your homeowner's insurance are listed in your policy. Hazards are divided into 3 classifications: physical, moral, and morale. Question number 9. What are the 3 types of control? The answer is: 3 basic types of control systems are available to executives. First, output control. Second, behavioral control. Third, clan control. Question number 10. What are the types of claims in insurance? The answer is: types of insurance claims under an auto policy can include property damage, physical injuries, uninsured motorist coverage, collision coverage, and liability. Question number 11. What are the main principles of insurance? The answer is: in the insurance world, there are 6 basic principles. First, insurable interest. Second, utmost good faith. Third, proximate cause. Fourth, indemnity. Fifth, subrogation. Sixth, contribution. Question number 12. What is claim settlement in life insurance and what is the procedure of it? The answer is: insurance companies have an obligation to settle claims promptly. You will need to fill a claim form and contact the financial advisor from whom you bought your policy. The procedure of it are: Step 1. Intimation to the insurance company about the claim. Step 2. Submission of required documents for claim processing. Step 3. Settlement of claim. Question number 13. What are the 3 basic types of dispute resolution? The answer is: the 3 basic types of dispute resolution are: first, mediation. The goal of mediation is for a neutral third party to help disputants come to a consensus on their own. Second, arbitration. In arbitration, a neutral third party serves as a judge who is responsible for resolving the dispute. Arbitrators hand down decisions that are usually confidential and that cannot be appealed. Like mediation, arbitration tends to be much less expensive than litigation. Third, litigation. The most familiar type of dispute resolution, civil litigation, typically involves a defendant facing off against a plaintiff before either a judge or a judge and jury. Question number 14. What is the role of insurance intermediaries? The answer is, insurance intermediaries provide services to insurance companies and consumers that complement the insurance placement process. Question number 15. What do you mean by underwriting cycle? The answer is, the underwriting cycle refers to fluctuations in the insurance business over a period of time. Question number 16. What is the COPE model and its use? The answer is, the COPE model, a systematic approach to problem solving, provides the patient and caregiver with the opportunity to work closely with their health care. The COPE framework is used to structure educational materials and manuals for use with family caregivers with chronic illness. Question number 17. What are coping strategies? The answer is, there are 3 basic coping styles: task-oriented, emotion-oriented, and avoidance-oriented. Question number 18. How is underwriting results calculated? The answer is, underwriting income is calculated as the difference between an insurance company's earned premiums and its expenses and claims. Question number 19. What are the function of underwriters? The answer is, the underwriter's function is to evaluate risk, estimate the potential exposure, determine the likelihood of loss, then make a decision whether or not to accept the application for insurance. Question number 20. What are SEBI Rules and Regulations, 1993? The answer is, the 8 important SEBI rules and regulations in regard to underwriters are: first, registration; second, code of conduct; third, agreement with clients; fourth, general responsibilities of an underwriter; fifth, proper books of accounts and records; sixth, appointment of compliance officer; seventh, board's right to inspect; eighth, liability in case of default. Question number 21. What does it mean to adjust a claim and what is the role of a claims adjuster? The answer is, claims adjusting is the process of determining coverage, legal liability, and settling a claim. And the role of a claims adjuster is, to verify insurance claims and determine a fair amount for settlement. These can be any type of claim, from personal injury to property damage. Question number 22. What is automated underwriting and how does it work? The answer is, automated underwriting is a technology-driven underwriting process that provides a computer-generated loan decision. Automated mortgage underwriting is the process where advanced artificial intelligence technology electronically undertakes the decision-making process for granting mortgage loans by analyzing one's credit report. Question number 23. What are loan operating systems? The answer is, loan operating systems in the lending market are also rapidly evolving to service all aspects of the loan process. Question number 24. What is a high-ratio loan? The answer is, a high-ratio loan is a loan whereby the loan value is close to the value of the property being used as collateral. Question number 25. What are qualifying ratios? The answer is, qualifying ratios are ratios that are used by lenders in the underwriting approval process for loans. Question number 26. What are the 2 most commonly used automated underwriting systems? The answer is, Fannie Mae Desktop Underwriter, DU, and Freddie Mac's Loan Product Advisor, LPA, are the 2 main automated underwriting systems. Question number 27. Why would underwriting deny a loan? The answer is, underwriters can deny loan applications for several reasons. Some of these problems that might arise and have your underwriting denied are insufficient cash reserves, a low credit score, or high debt ratios. Question number 28. In the beginning, what was one of your biggest struggles in underwriting? You may have an endless list. There could be cases where you face trouble like learning the coding on MIB, underwriting specific conditions, understanding rating tables, dealing with high-maintenance advisors and many more. Question number 29. How do you stay organized and prioritize your work as an underwriter? Very often it has been seen that underwriters are absorbed in several tasks to perform all at once, and many take on dozens of clients at any given time. You are required to make sure that you have what it takes to stay organized as your workload grows. Sample answer: you may say that I have maintained a detailed planner that I update throughout the day. This helps to keep a track of the cases which require focus at any given time. I also use an alphabetical filing system to keep track of every applicant's information to make the search easy. This shows the interviewer your management styles to be efficient throughout the day. Question number 30. What steps do you follow to study a problem before making the final decision? The answer is: at first, I would get as much history or background of the problem, then focus on finding out who is involved in the problem, thereby understanding how and why of the problem to aid me in making a final decision. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.